Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, I had discussed the method to find out first, and as you all know, first and follow, it is a very important topic from compiler design. So how to find first, if you have grasped that very efficiently, you won't find any difficulty in understanding how to find follow. In case you have not seen my video or you want to revise the basics of how to find first, you can please view this video which is coming above in the suggested videos above. So you can please view this. It is a very concise video. We have discussed all the major rules of finding first, and also we have solved that with this GATE 2019 example, which is from previous year questions. And now in this session, we are going to see what are the rules to find out the follow, right? Follow of a non-terminal or terminal. Basically, you never find out the follow of a terminal, so it is always follow of a non-terminal. And how do you find the follow, and what are the rules which play a major role over here? And we are also going to solve it with the help of this GATE 2019 example. So let's just dive into the question and let's see what the question says. So basically over here they have given us some productions, right? So these are the set of productions that we are going to use, and they are asking us to compute the follow set of the non-terminal B. And then there is some other part of this question. So but for the sake of practice, we are going to find out the follow of all the non-terminals present in these productions. And also first of all, we're going to have a look on the major rules. So follow is very simple. It comprises of only two major rules, so that we are going to see over here. First rule is that if S is a start symbol for which you need to find follow, if follow of S, if S is the start symbol, then it will contain this dollar symbol or this symbol, okay? It will definitely contain this. So you need to insert this in the follow set of S. Now why I'm saying it will contain this and now not follow of S equals to this, because it may also happen that it participates in other productions of the form, let's say A goes to ASB. Now in this case the other rules will also take part, which I'm going to discuss in the second rule. So for this kind of productions you are going to consider second rule, but this is the very basic rule, you know, that if S is the start symbol for which you are finding follow, then just simply write this dollar symbol in the follow set of S, and then check for other rules to see if other symbols are going to be added or not. Okay, then the second rule over here is for a production of the form this, okay, A goes to alpha x beta. Follow of x is first of beta, okay, and we have already studied all the rules of first of beta, so I'm not going to discuss it over here. The rules for finding first, you have a separate video for that, you can please view that. And now then there is one critical thing over here, that if by chance if first of beta contains epsilon, okay, then epsilon will not come in follow of x. Epsilon will never come in follow of x. In that case, what you're going to do is you are going to do something like this. So follow of x in that case will be first of beta for all the non-epsilon entries union follow of A. Now why A? Because it is the symbol on the left hand side. Now students, please pay attention to this. Sometimes, you know, students, since this is the general notation which is written in many books, when you are solving the question, many of us, what we do is we just simply write the follow of A. But you need to pay attention that over here it is not A, but it is the symbol on the left hand side of this production. It is this symbol. It may be A, it may be B, it may be C, it may be D, so on till X. Okay, so you need to pay attention to this, that it is basically first of beta for all the non-epsilon entries union follow of the symbol on the left hand side of this production, which in this case, in this example, is A. Okay. Okay, so now That's all for the rules. Yes, there are only two major rules and one this critical condition. So now we are going to find out the follow for this particular question which we had in GATE 2019. So I've just written all the productions once again over here. That's all what I've done. And now I'm going to find the follow one by one. So now follow of x. First of all, what was the first rule? Follow of x, it will always contain, if s is the start symbol, it will always contain dollar. So that is why I have over here, I've written dollar over here. Now there is no other production which is of the form, let's say x goes to ASB or any other form wherein S is basically participating. So I am done with finding the follow of S, and therefore I have closed this bracket over here, and this is the final follow of S. Now similarly we find follow of A. Now for follow of A, basically for first you were looking at this side. Now for follow, basically you are looking at this side where are this non-terminal is participating. So over here A is participating over here. Follow basically means now we are going to check what is following A. So this symbol is following A. So follow of A is first of this. First of A. Now A is what? A is a terminal, right? So it is going to terminate over there. First of A is A, that we know. So follow of A is only A because there is no other production in which A is on the right hand side and I can find its follow. Okay. So now this is very critical. In follow, basically you are looking at this side, and when finding first, you were first looking at this side and then moving to this. Eventually, when we were finding first, we were then looking at the right hand side only, but we were first looking at this side, finding the appropriate production and then finding out the first. So this is the major difference over here. Now, follow of B. Follow of B. So again on the right hand side, this is the production where it is participating. So then follow of B will be what? It will be first of this D. First of D. That's what I've written. Now first of D is what? It is D and epsilon. So D and epsilon, but I cannot write epsilon and follow, right? I cannot write epsilon and follow. So which was that rule? This was this critical condition, that in that case we are going to add what? We are going to add follow of the left hand side. From which production? This was the production which we were looking at. So follow of A over here. So then the answer would be D union follow of A, and that we have already found over here. Follow of A is A. So D comma A. So follow of D then. Finally follow of D. So D is participating only in this production over here, and there is nothing over here. When there is nothing, it is always epsilon, right? So follow of D is first of epsilon, and again which is epsilon, but we cannot write epsilon over here. So therefore it is follow of the left hand side, follow of the left hand side symbol, which is A. So therefore follow of A, which is nothing but small a symbol over here. So in this manner, we have found the follow of all the non-terminals present over here in these productions. And that's all. With this, we complete the execution of this question. Now let's look at the gate question which was over here. What are they asking from us? So first of all, they wanted us to compute follow set of non-terminal B. So we have it over here. It is what? D and A. So I'll just write it over here. Yeah, D and A. Yeah. So follow of B is D and A. Now they just don't want this, they want something else also. So what are they asking? They are asking, write the index values for the symbols in follow set in the descending order. Okay, so these are the index values over here, right? For example, follow set ABD dollar, then the answer should be 3210. So nothing but we just have to write their index values. Okay, so now what is the index value for D? It is 1, and for A it is 3. When I arrange them in descending order, I would get 3, 1. So answer should be 3210 in this case. So it will be 3, 1 in our case. So 3-1 is the correct answer for this particular question. So you see, if you know the rules of how to find first and follow, it is a very, very simple question. Direct question, I would say, a very scoring question. No complexity, no criticality, no, second thoughts, no question where you have to pull some indirect logic. So it is very simple. It is a scoring part. So therefore, you should, whenever I see students leaving TOC and compiler design, I always suggest them not to leave it, because since it is in the perception of students that it is very difficult, you generally get the questions which are very easy from this part and which are very direct to answer. So therefore, I would suggest you to practice these subjects more. These are very scoring subjects, not to leave them. Let me know if you have any doubts in these topics. Please post them as the comments. I would surely answer them. And yeah, and let me know of some important topics also if you want me to discuss. I would post the videos on them as well. So that's all for this session. If you like this video, please press the like button below and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos. Press the bell icon so that you always get notified with my latest videos. So I'll be back with some more GATE previous year questions, important topics. Till then, stay tuned, keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.